Short little demo here about a tool I was working on that turned out better than I thought it would. So this here is a MRP system we've ever used actually for factories to see kind of what they're working on. And what this does is it adds kind of a graphical representation to your production data. And this is being built with a AI model that we have. And we're just trying to take it so some of our clients that we work with could graphically see what their team is doing. So this gives it kind of another little example of it that as you're building it, the different models will go and run and you can kind of see them. But yeah, so just kind of a fun little thing. Like here, this is the job that's being ran. So when you look at your production, here I started, it's going to the CNC. Click onto the next op if I wanted to. And then under your factory view, you can see the job moved over here to this new thing, and it's just kind of mixing it. So this particular job needed to go to a CNC and then go over to the mixer, and then it'd go over to the bottler. So when they're idle, you can see there's nothing on the dashboard. Here you see the little dashboard running, and obviously the blades running and stuff like that. But I just thought it was kind of fun. Wanted to make a short little video of one of the things we're doing with our AI workflow engine.